I wanted to go over how to create the golden ratio using two pencils. So first I'm going to swing a circle with my pencils, and the golden ratio shows up in a lot of things in nature, and it's fun to construct this way. And there's a circle, and then I use a pencil and I'll bisect this so. And then I swing an arc from where the bisection intersects the circle. So again, holding the pencils like toothpicks, I'll create a radius. As long as I stay consistent, it doesn't matter what the radius is. So I'll swing it this way, and I'll swing it this way. And holding the pencils secure, I go over to this side and do the same thing. And that lets me bisect the whole circle so that these two lines now are at 90 degrees. And then I can create a square. I'll use a different color. So now I have a perfect square. And then I'm going to bisect the square, and I'm almost done. Oops. And I'll do it on that side. So I'm connecting these corners. All right. And then I'm going to bisect the square, so I'm going to use any radius. I can use any two corners, so I'll use these two corners. So I hold my two pencils like so, and I hold them kind of like chopsticks, hold them firmly. And I'm going to swing a radius this and like this. I'll do the same thing from the other corner. And I can now connect those two intersecting arcs, and that will perfectly bisect the square. So this is the middle of the square. The square has perfectly 90-degree angles. And then to create the golden ratio, the 1.618 number, I put my pencil at that intersection of those two lines, and I create a compass again with the two pencils that goes out to the diagonal. And actually, I'll do it this way. And I swing that, like so. And I swing this radius down. And I now have the golden ratio. So actually I'll use a different color. Right there, okay. So now what I have, if this is B and this is A, I now have this ratio where the ratio of A to B is the same as the ratio of A to A plus B. So that's the golden ratio, 1.618. And it shows up a lot of times in nature. In fact, right here with the hand, you can see an example. So the relationship between the parts of the finger are in accordance with the golden ratio. So if we go back to the metacarpal in the back of the hand, the metacarpal is 1.618 times more than the proximal phalanx here, which is 1.618 times bigger than the middle phalanx, which in turn is 1.618 times bigger than the distal phalanx. So it shows up a lot in nature, interesting to do, and you can do it with two pencils. Thank you.